Good evening and thanks for joining us for this Coronavirus HQ update. I'm Mike Thompson. The protests have shifted some of our focus away from the coronavirus, which is creating concerns for the La Crosse County Health Department. During today's news conference, the county's health director talked about the demonstrations happening in our community. She says the department is giving their full support, but wants to remind people of the health risks that are at hand. She's asking those taking part in the demonstrations to continue wearing face coverings and to still use social distancing. She's calling on the community to protect one another.
What would be extremely tragic is if exposures during peaceful protests about a topic of importance might lead to disease, especially in a population that has been hit harder with this disease than others.
According to a statement read by Rumbalski, the Wisconsin Public Health Association says racism is a public health crisis. It says that more than 100 studies have linked racism to worse health outcomes and is calling on leaders for reform. Turning to the latest with the coronavirus pandemic numbers, 19,400 positive cases are being reported in Wisconsin now, and 616 people have died. 12,600 people have recovered. 3 new cases are being reported in La Crosse County. There was also 3 additional recoveries in the county as well. Over in Minnesota, 25,800 people have tested positive and nearly 240,000 have tested negative. 1,086 people have died. In Iowa, more than 20,000 people have tested positive and 143,000 have tested negative. 566 people have died and just under 11,900 people have recovered. More than 68,000 pounds of food was donated during a series of donation drives in our area. That's the total announced this morning for the Food Drive Fridays effort. Along with food, more than $309,000 was donated. Those donations will support the Hunger Task Force of La Crosse.
So we knew we had to prepare. We weren't sure how we were going to do that. And basically this food drive has really saved the Hunger Task Force, and we are able now to distribute to all those families who are in need.
While the Food Drive Fridays effort is over, you can still support the Hunger Task Force. Donations are being accepted on the website there at the bottom of your screen. Thanks for joining us for this update. We hope you can join us tonight on News 8 Now at 10.